All right, so the math dealer here, and this lesson's about dividing decimals, okay? So, this is once again, it's all part of those videos that I'm trying to get you ready for your test prep. Maybe you're taking the standardized test. Maybe you're just trying to learn something about dividing decimals. I don't know. Maybe you're taking that electrician test. I got nothing. But hey, we all have to review at some point, right? So here we go. Now, I'm going to try to do this super fast because, oh, by the way, I'm cutting these all down to 5 minutes. What? All right, so here we go. Number out front is called the divisor. The number inside that little corner is the dividend. And of course, my answer is called the quotient. Do I need to memorize all those words? No, you do not. Just know what they are when I refer to them. Okay, so this decimal, since there's no decimal in my divisor, that decimal is just going to slip on top. Then you divide like old school. You take 5 into 12, goes twice, multiply down, gives you 10. Subtract gives me 2. Trip that 7 on down. And now I'm looking at the 5 into the 27, okay? I'm not worried about this 2 anymore. He's just hanging around for the party now. He's in it. He's already been shown up. He showed his ticket. He's there. 5 into 27 goes 5 times. That gives me 25. And now I'm going to do this little subtraction thing. I'll multicolor that. That's kind of cute. Bring the 2 there. Drip that 5 on down. And then I go 5 into 25 goes 5 times, right? Multiply the 5 times the 25, and that's where 25 comes down. Remainder is 0. So your final answer is 2.55. Whoop, whoop. Okay, now let's go check out this other one sitting here. This other one saying, okay, well, now I'm going to try to be fancy. I got a decimal in my divisor, but basically you're multiplying the divisor by 10. So, of course, you can't just do it to one side. You got to do it to everybody else. So I multiply my dividend by 10. Now I'm taking 7 into 40. 7 into 40 goes 5 times. You know that. Gives me 35. Multiply down, subtract, gives me 5. Drip the 7 on down. Yep, I said drip. We're good. 7 into 57 goes 8 times. 8 times 7 called 56. Subtract gives me 1. The 4 comes trickling on down. I know I'm going fast, but I told you, under 5 minutes. 7 into 14 is 2. So my final answer is 5.82. Yep, you've seen it. All right, so I'm going to drip on down. I'm going to slip onto this guy over here. Oh, no, what happened to that thing? Oh, back on. We're good. Okay, here we are. Now, I have 1.2 going into 28.32. So, again, drip the decimal, slip the decimal. We're good. Pop that decimal up top. So, hopefully, you're getting that idea. Now, I take 12 into 28, goes 2 times, gives me 24. Subtract coming down, gives me 43. 12 into 43 is 3, gives me 36. Subtract coming down gives me 7. Bring the 2. And then 12 into 72 is 6. All right, that's where those 12 times tables come into play. So I get 23.6. All right, so here, let's try to get through this one. Move the decimal 2 places. Then that means I have to move that decimal 2 places. Technically, what am I doing? I'm multiplying by 100. Yeah, I know that, math teachers, okay? I hear you. All right, but that's just basically what they're doing. That decimal slips on up. So 14 into 73. Of course, we all know and love that to be what? 5, maybe? When I multiply 14 times 5, I think I'm pretty sure, yeah, I knew it, 70, good time. Subtract coming down gives me 37. 14 into 37, well, that's going to end up being 2, gives me 28. Subtract gives me 9. Bring that on down. And then 14 into 98, I'm pretty sure is 7, and that gives me 98. All right, remainder of 0. So hopefully, if you realize it's all about moving that decimal. If I have to move it in my divisor, then I better be moving it in my dividend. And that's going to give me my answer as a quotient. So since I have a little bit more time, check out what this means. This means that 5.27 times 0.14 is actually going to be 0.7378. Sometimes people just kind of forget to take a moment and realize what the heck we just found out, right? And what we found out was if I multiply my quotient times my divisor, yeah, you get the dividend. All right, this is the math dealer signing out. I hope this was helpful.